skiing is finally back on the agenda with the third event of Season 9. The Electric Eels hoping they can win today. They're in the lead right now, 3 points over the Mojo Rollers and the Snowballs. Can them win today? Let's find out. You see our first heat with Reef, Shock, Burnt and Snowy. We'll go away the Electric Eels, Fireworks and Snow and Burning Flares and Snowballs. Electric Eels are fun. Who's that? Is that Burning Flares? Yes it is. Burning Flares will win the heat. The Electric Eels will advance with them. It's a good start for the Electric Eels. Now, Zappers, Sneakers, Fireworks and Flamethrowers. Who advance here? Sneakers are in front. Fireworks in second right now. Flamethrowers on their tail, but it's not going to be enough. All Zappers will pass them at the end. And Sneakers will advance. So will the Fireworks. Mojo Roller, Cheese Balls, Money Balls and Honeybees. Here we go. Who's advancing here? Looks like that's going to be Mojo Rollers and Cheese Balls. Advancing here is Skiing. Ketchup, Sugar Crush, Leaping Jungle Zebras. Who advances here? Oh, Zebras and Leaping Jungles. By a long margin. Now, Burning Flares, Electric Eels, Fireworks, Sneakers. The Electric Eels advance. Yes, they can. They win the heat actually. So Fireworks and Burning Flares. Oh wow, Sneakers and Electric Eels are moving on. What an amazing start for the Electric Eels. Now Cheese Balls, DB Jungles, Mojo Rollers, Sugar Crush. Well, Mojo Rollers are in dead last, and that's how I was going to stay. 8th place for Mojo Rollers, only 6th for Sugar Crush. Leaping Jungles, Electric Eels, Cheese Balls and Sneakers. Who got the gold? And what Electric Eels are in front? But not at the end. Oh, who got it? Cheese Balls will get the bronze. Who got it? I was saying by 1,000 of a second, it's going to be the host, the Electric Eels, who will win the gold back to back. And what a start the hosts have. So 70 points in 3 events. What a start to the Electric Eels. That is one of the best starts ever to any host in the series. We'll be again for the 4th event. Let's see if they can go back to back to back. We'll see you then.